Alright, I'm gonna do a video here. I'm at work and I got an XS Max, super cracked, frame is kind of bent. Just started taking it apart, so you might have missed that other part there. I'm doing some vlogging here. We gotta get this apart. There's a lot of glass here. Squeezing out of here. Gotta get my chair. Alright. So, anyways, I'm gonna get a Y000 screwdriver, unscrew the bracket here for an iPhone XS Max. We're gonna unscrew this quick. Alright, got those three. Then we want to do the battery connection too. It's under here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 other Y triples. And on a good day, we can do this in 15 minutes. So let's go. Knock the bracket off, unplug that battery. It's the very bottom one, right here. Got my brackets. Alright, let's get the screen. Put that down. Can't reach. I like to have long fingernails for this. And the proximity sensor, you do not want to damage this, so I normally grab my heat gun, heat it up right here as it easily going down, and just lift off the screen here. And so the iPhone XS Max needs to be programmed here. So you got to program the screen. Every part in a phone has a serial number, so you want to program your new screen. So let's plug it on to this little doodad. And we'll read it so we can steal the CD key. No, steal the serial number from it. And grab an XS Max. XS Max here. And we got a premium screen. So we're gonna put her down on this. The reason we want to do this is if you don't want to lose true tone, you could do it on an iPhone 7 or 8. But some reason it discolors it, but it also keeps the color looking correct. And otherwise there's too much blue light, and there's that. Just gotta put that there. Let's get my glass off up here. Got glass everywhere. This phone is just littering glass everywhere. Alright, let's do the proximity sensor. Want the Y000 again. Bottom right. There. Alright, and then again with the heat, you want to make sure you heat her up. Heat it up nice, good, put it low. I'll do it on this side too. Both sides. Grab my handy dandy tweezers. And also use my fingernail. Pull up on that little part. And you pull up on the big part here, nice and slow. Yeah, there we go. Goodbye, screen. Oops, dropped it on the floor. Alright. And we got our new screen. Easy peasy, almost done with the repair. Perfect. All right. Let's grab our new screen. Proximity sensor on. That. Let's put the battery on to test it out. Alright, looks like everything's swiping. Gotta do a test call. No Face ID error, which is awesome. Gonna take out the SIM. Complete. Well, it works. That's all we care about. It's powered down. And then we will put this on here. Go. All right, let's get the last three here. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
What can I help you with? Alright, it is all done. Made a good time, I think. Yeah, 15-minute repair. Told them 2 hours. Their back glass is shattered like none other. And I'm just gonna stick it back in the case. I think I just got glass on my thumb. soap for them.